Hey, going on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our loved ones at people at YouTube. How are you guys doing today? And also, let's not forget our people at TikTok that we are now on. I want to go over the Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin? As you guys can tell, it's a lot of red going on. So what I'm gonna do real quick, we are going to wait a few moments and let people jump on the call real quick. Hold on. So give me a quick moment with that while I do that and we get people jumping. Like it did, and they just didn't know it. You know what I mean? So okay. I hope people were able to jump on board. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this new platform that we are able to bypass directly uploading on Facebook because I was just told that for some reason our videos after we upload them to YouTube or after they're recorded live on YouTube and when we download it to upload it to our YouTube channel, they have been distorted. Information has been cut off. The volume goes mute when on our end things are going well. Okay. So so with that being said, I am going to jump on the charts real quick so you guys could see something. Okay. You guys can see my scanner right here, right? So what I'm doing now is for this forecast, for the forecast, we're gonna be looking at long trends. We're gonna look at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minutes. Um, because that is how institutional hedge fund long term whales trade. They use those time frames to dictate where they want to place their capital and how they want to move in and all that aspects of it. Okay, so with that being said, let me show you guys the scanner. Okay, so what the scanner is showing us that on the monthly we are at an uptrend. Okay, then it shows that we have neutral buying or neutral orders coming in. Then we have our price action, meaning that the candle opens, closes, and it takes into consideration. So it's still green. Then we have our moving cross. Okay. On the weekly and daily, we have completely red. Price action, volume, death cross, so on and so forth. Okay. But let me show you guys right here on the weekly real quick. Let's do weekly. Okay. So a few as was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I guess yesterday we hit a low of 33,974. Was it yesterday? Yeah. Okay. Remember, I said that those are crucial areas of support. If that breaks, we're looking at a 22,000. Okay. If that 33 to 30,000 area does not support, we're looking at 22,227. Okay. But the reason why that's alarming, not only did we get our three indicational candles to continue the trend, watch this. Okay. Look at this indicator right here. It just moved down right here. See that? Look, I'm gonna try to put my cross on. Look at it right here. Okay. So that indicates that we're shorting. The market shorted. It tipped over from the weekly, daily. So hopefully, for the people that are still invested in Bitcoin, um, there are, I don't know. Like I really don't know what you guys would do. I don't know if you would sell because you know what I mean. I wouldn't want you guys to sell at a loss either. You know what I mean? Um, a lot of people are doing the dollar average cost. You know what I mean? I see that wrong in the sense the dollar itself is collapsing. So how can you try to attach Bitcoin and do that dollar cost average when not only is Bitcoin dropping, but the appreciating value of the dollar is dropping? You know what I mean? So those are two things that you have to take into consideration. Okay. As you guys could tell, look, Bitcoin weekly is downtrend all the way. Daily is downtrend. 4 hours downtrend. You have a little bit of buying power, buying volume on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, you have a little uptrend. So let's go to that 1 hour. Okay. The reason why it's an uptrend, because as you guys could tell, went up, pull back, consolidated. Okay, cross down. Okay, so instead you get another cross. So this little rally, let me put you guys my indicators. Let me put you guys my indicators. Where you is at? Let's see. Market maker. Is it this one? Okay. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Okay. So here's the downtrend. It broke out this lows right here. Okay. Wow, this high, sorry. It broke out this highs right here just to go lower. So what did it do? When picked up some liquidity. Okay. ADR high. So obviously with this two indicators is showing me that we're gonna hit 34,000. Is it 34,000? 34,000. Okay. Picked up the liquidity of the people that were shorting it and had their stops. Had to come back and pick that up. Boom. Faked them long. Here you could see the heat map went red and then it went green for that little time, and then you can see the trend right here. The dots or trend dots go from green to very quickly consolidating. Going sideways, meaning that they already picked up the orders that they need to. Will pick up all this liquidity down here and then bounce up and then come back down. Okay. So Okay, let's go with Ethereum. Ethereum. Let's go with Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum got for us. Um, so I really don't know if. Okay, well, I'll just record it and let's see what happens. Okay, so there you go. You have Ethereum. Okay, we have Ethereum. Remember how yesterday I told you guys Ethereum hit a peak low? That's what a pivot is in the different time frames. You know what I mean? What it does, it indicates and shows us where the order flow rejected a price and decided to go a different directions. And when pivots created, those could be used as gauges and tracks or ranges of where price will bounce. So you see a pivot right here. So price will that's why I have a resistance, support. So price will be bouncing in here. Okay. Okay, we got that. Okay. So Ethereum, where are we? Okay, so overall, it still shows uptrend on the monthly. Where are we right here? Monthly. So here's your high. I guess it would break to the Fibonacci, the 50. So here's your 50. Let's, let's do your 50 right here. Where's your 50? Right here. So we're pretty much at the Fibonacci area right here. Insert. Mm, Okay, hold on. So that's your golden zone right there on your monthly. Okay. So we're gonna take this golden zone and then we're gonna bring it down to the weekly. Okay. So you can see the price already has been in that golden zone. That's where yesterday, okay, another cross down or a death cross. Um, okay, so let's go into the 4 hour. You see how price already that peak low already hit that golden zone. Uh, Let me do it on this one. So in here, up to right here, it's golden zone. Up to right around here, maybe. So this candle will come and touch it, flirt with it, and bounce back up. Okay, that is what Ethereum just did. Okay, let's look at Sol. Okay, I don't know if we're supposed. Well, we're supposed to be live on Facebook, on Twitter. We're supposed to be live on LinkedIn. I just don't see where. You see, I did a video yesterday, and it's telling me that I got copyrights. So where are the copyrights? Okay. So I'm gonna have to go in there and change that. Okay. Okay. So you see Sol again. Okay. Okay. Sol, same thing. You see how this one right here, the weekly? So we'll be trading down here. Okay. Um, Let me go and double check. I will do a better call this afternoon. I just want to double check some things before I go into in depth and drop some sauce. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all.